Today we're going to learn how to divide a fraction by a whole number and by another fraction. Let's say we have this fraction and say the fraction is, actually let's make this, so we have 1/4. This is 1/4 here. And I want to divide 1/4 by 2. So to divide 1/4 by 2, it's as if I'm literally cutting this in half. So all these others are also, these 1/4 are also getting cut in half. So now if I look and see how many pieces I have, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have now 8 pieces. So now the fourths have been cut into 2. So since they've been cut into 2, they now become eighths. So what we do when we divide a fraction by a whole number, we take the reciprocal of the whole number. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. So it becomes 1/4, and we change the divide sign to multiplication. So this becomes, reciprocal is 1/2. So we get 1/8. So whenever we divide a fraction by a whole number, we take the reciprocal of the whole number, and here it is 1/2, and then when we multiply, we get 1/8. So now if we look, we see we have eighths. So now this is now an eighth. So all of these are now 1/8. So that's a visual of dividing a fraction by a whole number. Let's do some more. All right, so let's look here. We have 1/9 divided by 2. So when we divide that 1/9, and just imagine there are 8 other ninths, because 1/9 plus 8/9 is us 9/9. So now all those 1/9 are being cut in 2. So now we have 18ths. So this, we take the reciprocal. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 9 times 2 is 18. Let's look at the next one. 1/5 divided by 6. We take the reciprocal of 6. We get 1/6. That's equal to 1/30. So all of the fifths were cut into 5 pieces. And so when we cut those fifths were cut into 6 pieces. So when we cut them into 6 pieces, we have the 6 pieces and we have 5 of them. 5 of those 6 pieces, and 6 times 5 is 30. 1/2 times divided by 8 becomes 1/2 times 1/8, which gives us 1/16. 1/4 divided by 5 becomes 1/4 times 1/5. That gives us 1/20. 1/6 divided by 9 becomes 1/6 times 1/9. 1/9, which gives us 1/54. And 1/3 divided by 3 becomes 1/3 times 1/3, which becomes 1/9. All right. The same thing goes when we divide a fraction by another fraction. So this becomes 6/7 times 7/2. that gives us 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 2 is 14. And if we put this in simplest form, gives us 3. So let's look at number 2. This becomes multiplication, and then we get 12 over 19. So 1 times 12 is 12, and 19 times 4, 36. 3 is 76. And we can simplify this. So 12 over 76, I think we can divide at least by 2. So we get 6 over 76 divided by 2 is 38. We can divide that again. Divide by 2, we get 3 over 38 divided by 2 is 17, 18, 19. We get 3 over 19. Let's do a few more. So 2 over 5 becomes, divided by 7/9 becomes 2 over 5 times 9 over 7. 2 times 9 is 18. 5 times 7 is 35. They have no common factors, so that's our final answer.